So when it comes to sneaker, there is only one Indian homegrown sneaker brand which I trust and I love their designs, and it is Gully Labs. So I've got another Gully Labs pair, and it is the Gully Labs Bars collection. It is an upgraded version of the previous Bars collection. So let's review the sneaker and see what are the changes that they have made and see if it is worth buying the sneaker. So this is the Gully Labs box. It is different from the previous one. After opening the box, we have got the Gully Labs postcard, and also we've got the Gully Labs manifesto with the information. We have got the Gully Labs stickers, some cool stuff, weight care instructions, and also extra pair of laces in pink. We've got the dust tote bag for the Gully Labs shoes, and here are the Gully Labs bars collection in copal green colorway. Now talking about the materials, we've got soft suede leather on the toe box, we've got canvas on the sides, we've got the silk embroidery on the side of the shoe, and also bars embroidered on the heel tab. We've got Gully and Labs written in Devanagari and Latin, comfortable cushioned ortholite insole, we've got rubber outsole and midsole, we've got the bars logo on the tongue tab and Indian Karigari printed on the back tab. This time we have got round laces instead of flat canvas laces. The toe box is wider than the previous model. Also, the panel construction is different from the previous models. As you can see, the lining is very much different. The shoe feels very lighter, and they claim that it is 50% lighter than the previous models. I very much like the colorway, the green laces and the pink details on the sides and also on the laces. This shoe is a upgraded version of the previous bars collection, as they have upgraded the toe box, the materials, the laces and also the construction and the details on these. And now talking about the on fit experience, the shoe feels lighter on feet. It hugs my feet properly. I can move around my fingers. The shoe is very much lighter than the previous shoes I have, and also the colorway feels very much versatile, stylish, and also it has a little bit of distinct features from the previous one. Overall, I had a great experience with this one. I love the Gully Lab sneakers. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know what you guys think. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.